Imagine a warm, nutty aroma filling the air as you take a sip of creamy, rich Hojicha milk tea. It's unlike any tea you've ever tried, a perfect harmony of roasted tea leaves and velvety milk that feels like a hug in a cup. Hojicha milk tea is more than just a beverage, it's an experience. Stay with me as I share 5 reasons why this unique Japanese drink is about to become your new favorite. Hojicha milk tea originates from Japan and combines the earthy, roasted flavor of hojicha with the smoothness of milk. This tea isn't just popular for its taste but also for the calming sensation it offers. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or someone exploring new flavors, this drink will capture your heart. But what exactly makes it so special? Let's dive in. The first challenge many tea lovers face is finding a drink that is both comforting and unique. Green teas are widely enjoyed, but some people find them too bitter or grassy. Black teas, on the other hand, can feel too strong or caffeinated. That's where Hojicha milk tea shines. It's naturally low in caffeine, thanks to the roasting process, and boasts a nutty, slightly smoky flavor profile that pairs beautifully with milk. If you've ever struggled to find a tea that balances flavor, comfort, and versatility, you're not alone. Hojicha milk tea is incredibly versatile. Its roasted, caramel-like undertones are perfect for a warm cup on a chilly day or an iced version during summer. The low caffeine content means you can enjoy it any time of day without worrying about staying up all night. Plus, hojicha is packed with antioxidants and has a mild flavor that makes it ideal for pairing with desserts or enjoying on its own. What sets it apart is how it bridges the gap between green tea lovers and those who prefer more robust flavors. The magic moment of this drink is its transformative brewing process. Hojicha is made by roasting green tea leaves over charcoal, which reduces bitterness and creates its signature smoky aroma. When combined with creamy milk, the tea's complexity is elevated, resulting in a drink that feels indulgent yet soothing. Imagine sipping on something that feels like a warm embrace, a moment of peace in a busy day. In summary, Hojicha milk tea offers a unique blend of flavors, health benefits, and versatility that makes it stand out. It's a drink that anyone can enjoy, whether you're a casual tea drinker or a connoisseur looking to expand your palate. If you haven't tried Hojicha milk tea yet, now is the time. Find it at your nearest tea shop or try making it at home. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tea content, and share your thoughts about Hojicha milk tea in the comments. Let's sip our way to a more peaceful, flavorful life together.